Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to my first video content. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to make any headset noise free. So this is only applicable for live streaming or doing live calls or online teaching, but not applicable to singing or music recording. So let's get right into it. So first thing you need to do, guys, is open up your browser and go to obsproject.com and then download OBS Studio for Windows. Okay, just click on next, install. Okay, then open OBS. Then right click on the sources and then add audio input capture. And then choose your mic, then click OK, then right click on the audio input capture and click on filters, and then right click on the blank space and click add and noise suppression, and then just choose the RN noise one, then close. Then the second step, guys, is we go to vb-audio.com and then download VB cable for Windows 64 or 32-bit. So after downloading the virtual cable, you extract it and then open the installer, this /64 as administrator, then install driver, click on install, then click on OK. Okay, then go back to OBS and click on settings. Then go to audio to advanced, and then just choose this cable input, VB audio virtual cable. Okay, click on apply and then OK. And then click this 3 button on your audio input capture under audio mixer. Then choose the monitor and output for the audio input capture. The last step is go to your speakers button and then right click on it and click sound, and then go to recording and make this cable output your default device. So for the last part is the testing.
Hello, this is Kim from Century. Hello, this is Kim from Century. Hello, this is Kim from Century.
So this is with a filter on. Hello, I'm Kim. I'm calling regarding a no dial tone problem. This is with a filter off. Hello, I'm Kim. I'm calling regarding a no dial tone problem. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked my quick tutorial, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.